Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. So glad you're here. Hope you stick around, hit that subscribe and hang out with us. I'm Laura if you're new to my channel. This is Wyatt. He is on bug patrol because we are outside, so he takes that job very seriously. Zena's over here. I don't know if you can see her. You'll probably see her as we get into the rest of this video. All right, so for today, my Wantable style boxes here. I love my Wantable boxes. There's a couple of things I think are really great about Wantable. Number one, they send you 7 items. You only have to keep 5 to get a 20% discount. There is a $20 styling fee, comes off anything that you keep. You do get a dedicated stylist, fill out a profile. They have a stream on their site that you can request or decline items, which I also really like. And they have a ton of themed edits. And if you request a themed edit, you get that in addition to your regular monthly style or active edit. So yes, they also have 2 different types of edits for women. The style edit, which would be your everyday wear, think work outfits, weekend outfits, casual outfits, and then they have an active edit, which is more along the lines of workouts and loungewear. And they just started a new edit I saw, which is more around intimates and sleepwear. I'm not remembering the name of it. But they just kicked that one off this week, I saw. All right, so let's dig into my box. Okay, so here's what I see as soon as I open it. You'll see that there's instructions on the outer flaps of the box, so you know what to do as soon as you get it. And also, if you'll notice right here, my sticker is personalized. How much do you love that? I do. I love it. All right. I do have a referral link for you, which I will put down below. If you use my referral link, you will get $10 off your first box. Okay, here is my, oh, I see lots of color in this. I love color. This looks so pretty, whatever this is. Oh, okay, I'm excited. Right at the top, you always get an envelope to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. The envelope always has return for United States Postal Service. However, they will send you an alternate label for UPS if that's your preference. And then you also get a little pamphlet here that tells you all about the items inside your box, as well as notes from your stylist. And this one will tell you which kind of edit it is, whether it's a style edit or an active edit, in case you get them both, which I do. Okay. I'm excited to see what's here. You can ask for specific styles. Generally, I've been asking for easy wear summer looks. All right, first up, I think this is a tank, and it says Chippin', Dippin', and Margarita Sippin'. That's cute. I like that. And this is by Project Society. That's the first one. Next up, I have something in a pretty minty green color. This is by Z Supply. This is a little pocket V-neck tee, rounded hem there. The birds are chirping this morning. How they sound so nice. It's relaxing. Then next I have something black. This is by Black Tape. Oh, this is pretty. This is almost a sweater material, little V-neck black dress with this pretty little ruffly sleeve. And I did ask for sleeveless. I want it all sleeveless because it's, you know, it's summertime and I gotta wear sleeves most of the year. This is belted. So it looks like it's a little bit longer, so probably midi length on me. I hope the wind isn't gonna pick up on this video. These look cute. These are by Dakota. These have a fantastic tropical vibe. Look how cute these are. Oh, love these. These are little pull-on shorts, elastic waist. Love. I'm wondering, did I request those? I did. Yep, those are called the Aloha short by Why it's on Bug Patrol here. By Dakota, and I did request those. Those look like something I would request. All right, and next up, and it'll tell you on your sheet. So when you go through that stream and you request something, it'll tell you when they send it to you. This looks like a kimono. How pretty is this? It is by Who is this one by? Don't know. Look how pretty the colors are in this. Beautiful. Looks like palm leaves. I love that little bit of yellow and turquoise and pink. That is gorgeous. You'll be able to see it better, I think, when I try it on, if I can figure out who it is. Here it is. Who is this by? Designed in New York, LIB New York. That is beautiful. All right, next we have something yellow. Check that out. This is, I'm thinking this might be a dress. What is this? It is by Max Studio, and yes, it is a dress. Has the little ruffly sleeve, pleated front here, has that smocked waist in the back. It has a belt. This also looks a little bit longer. I don't know, we'll see what that looks like. And is it lined? It feels like it's lined. No. No, it's not. Okay. That one has a little boho chic going on vibe. And my last item is jean shorts. These are by Kensie. I like this little light wash. Those are cute. Okay, that's all 7 items. That looks like a nice summer collection, doesn't it? All right, it says, my stylist is Serena this time, so I have noticed that I go between Serena and, I think it's Serena. No, I think it was Sonia, actually. Anyway, my normal stylist is Emma, but sometimes I do get an alternate stylist. Okay, Sunday, it says sun, like S-U-N, space, day, as in a sunny day. Sunday, fun day. These pieces are all about enjoying the great summer weather now that the sun is shining bright. You yourself will shine too in these perfect picks for the new season. I can't wait to hear how you're enjoying the great weather and fashion. I looked for staple items that can build on your current wardrobe as well as statement pieces to make the process of getting dressed in the morning all that more fun. It would be great if you could leave me feedback. Let me know what you love. All right, so let's get to this try, and I'm excited about these pieces, and we'll see how they look. All right, so first up is the Max Studio dress. It does have pockets. It is more of a midi length on me, and it has a floral print, little V-neck, a little bit of that ruffle sleeve. It does have this tie, which I'm not loving, and it has like a little belt loop right here as well. So I feel like I'd have to tie this really tight to get it not to like droop on the side, which then is kind of uncomfortable. And it has all this pleating here in the front. I can tell you like right off the bat, I'm not loving this. Like there's something about it I'm just not loving. This one is actually on sale. It is called the Ruffle Sleeve Floral Tie Waist Dress in Sunshine by Max Studio, and it was originally $72 and it's on sale for $36. You guys tell me what you think. I don't know, there's something about it. I don't think it's me. But I do like the color. And we'll move on to the next outfit. Okay, so next up is this little black dress, and I am a sucker for a LBD, especially one that is super soft, has a nice fit to the body, and has some visual interest, which this one does with the little flutter sleeve. It also has the slits on the side, just on one, and this one hits me almost, yeah, I guess right above the ankle. We'll put this side a little bit above the ankle. Very, very soft. Has a nice little V-neck. Feels like a dream on. It does have a tie. I see a thread. There we go. Here's a closer look. So once you see, it does have that V-neck and all this ruffling. It does have a wider opening here on the side, but I do have my regular bra on and you don't seem to be able to see that, I don't think. So And you could also just, I could put a black bra on instead, and then even if it peaked a little bit, no one would know. But it does have some, like this is like a ruffly type little, I don't know, visual interest. Let me know what you think of that. But I think it does add to the overall look of the dress. I think this is something you could also transition with a jacket into the cooler months, into fall. All right, so this one is called the V-neck midi dress in black tape by Dex. So this one is actually by Dex. It is $80. I think it's pretty. I like it. All right, let's do something else. Okay, so this next outfit just makes me smile. I absolutely love both pieces. I think they are adorable and scream summer vacation. These shorts are amazing. They have they have pockets and this amazing fun print with all the colors. So if you're feeling very tropical and you just want a bright color, these are awesome. You can put on with a white t-shirt, a little gray tank, and tone it down if you just want the fun bottom and don't want to be, you know, just over the top with pattern and color. But these feel amazing on. Amazing. They are a silkier material, and I just think would really pull an outfit together. I paired it with this tank because that's what I had left as far as how I could put these pieces together for you. I actually think they look cute together, but I don't know if I would necessarily choose them otherwise if it weren't for the fact that that's the items I had in the box to work with. And then I just put on little gold flats to pull the look together. This tank is adorable. This is not the right bra to wear underneath it. I would probably put more of a bralette on underneath this one because it does kind of cut in a little bit here at the shoulder, and it also has a very wide cut under the arm. But I do love the saying. I think this would also be great with just cutoffs over top of your bathing suit for a cute little look. But cute saying. I like it. I think the colors are really nice as well. Closer look. All right, so these two pieces, the Project Social Tee Margarita Sippin tank, $48, and the Aloha short in Malta by Baby Dakota is $59. I like these. Yeah. Fits into my whole I love summer feelings that I have. All right, we got one more outfit for you. Okay, last outfit, and I didn't get it in before my pool kicked on and my waterfall's running, but that's okay. I think you guys can still hear me. So this is the cute little tee from Z Supply. Love the color, so pretty. Great little V-neck, does have the pocket. Has a little bit long, it's a little bit longer in the back. I did a quick front tuck, but I'll show you what it looks like when it's out as well. Put it on with these great shorts from Kensie, right? These are from Kensie, lighter wash. Let me see, all my tags are tucked in there. Yeah, I think these are really cute. The only thing about them is that they're a little bit tighter to that thick part of my leg, which is not my favorite thing, right? But they're not tight. I have a little bit of room, but not quite as loose as what I typically am excited to see. But not a bad fit, very soft, lots of stretch. Here's a closer look. And then here's what that t-shirt looks like out. And then the last item we have, which I'm going to quickly tuck this back in because I want to throw the kimono on over top of here. Okay. How pretty are these colors? So this one does have a higher slit, attaches about, what, 1.5 inches, 2 inches under the arm. Nice little layer for the cooler evenings whenever you just need that little wrap for air conditioning. I think this one just has such beautiful colors in it. You guys can see that. I like this outfit. This is a really great outfit. I just threw on clear sandals. Hopefully you guys can see that. And this would be just a great weekend hanging out look if you're going to a picnic or something and you want to grab something for the evening. This wrap would be perfect. Alright, so the Cotton Slub Pocket Tee in Aqua Ocean, $39. The Frayed Cuff Short in Marina by Kensie, $58. And this floral print kimono in blue by Elegant Essence is what they're actually calling it. Which maybe I missed that on the label. I see that too. Is $39, so not bad at all. So I like this. This also was a request of mine I see back in May. So both the items, the shorts and this, were requests from May. So all of my items all together, $359. If I kept everything, I would of course get that by the keep 5 or more discount of $71.80. Bringing my total down to $287.20, and then of course your $20 styling fee comes off of that. So I don't think that's a bad price for all the items. But let's do a quick wrap up and see what I'm thinking for right now. Okay, so what to keep, right? If you keep 5, you get that 20% discount. Otherwise, you get your $20 styling fee off of anything that you keep. I can tell you right off the bat, I'm not loving this yellow dress, so I'm thinking it has to go back. I do love the kimono. I do love, and it was a great price, I do love these fun shorts. I think they're just adorable. I love stuff like that. And I did think this little tank was super cute. If I can, there we go. Alright, so then that means that if I pick 2 more, which could potentially be this little tee, or even the denim shorts, which are adorable, or the black dress. What did you think about this black dress? Because I liked it. What did you think about that fit around the arm? I thought this was a great versatile dress. I'm thinking about that, and if I did keep the dress, then I would definitely have to keep either this little pretty tee or the basic denim short. That's what I'm thinking right now. So I think there is definitely a good chance for a keeper of 5 items in this one. My stylist did a really great job. So go Serena, she did amazing. I really like these pieces. I could probably even keep 6 and be perfectly happy and wear them. Great summer collection. I really liked it. I will list all these items down below in case you want to request anything from your stylist. Please weigh in and let me know what your favorites were. So do comment down below. You guys know that's my very favorite part of doing these videos. Can't wait to read your comments. I will put my link and all the information, as I said, down below. Would love to hit that subscribe before you go. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, do hit that like button. It really does help me out. Until next time, everybody. Bye-bye.